In this video, I'll be showing you how to change alarm sound on iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on literally any iPhone that you have. So let's say you want to change the alarm sound just because you're used to the current one that you're on, and it's, you're just sleeping through or anything like that because your brain's used to it. So what you want to do is go over to your clock, find whichever alarm that you want to change, whatever time it is, it doesn't matter. Go ahead and click on it, and then you're going to see sound as one of the options. Right now on this specific alarm, I have it on none, but then over here, you're going to see all your different ringtones that you could go ahead and choose. If you just click on one, it's going to start playing it, and then you can obviously listen to it. If there's one that you like, you just switch it to that. You can also change your haptics, which is your vibration. And then if you also want to pick a song, you can pick a song from Apple Music if you use Apple Music too. You can also download different tones and anything like that as well by going to the tone store. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and check out other tutorials as well.